Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of history. So the first question is, which of the following are included in the Gandhi-Irwin Pact of 1931? First, public inquiry into police excesses during civil disobedience movement. Second, immediate release of all political prisoners not convicted of violence. Third, right to peaceful picketing. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So you can write down your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option B 2 and 3 only. So the terms of agreement included the immediate release of all political prisoners not convicted for violence. Second, the remission of all fines not yet collected, the return of confiscated lands not yet sold to third parties, and lenient treatment for those government employees who had resigned. So this topic of Gandhi-Irwin Pact is extremely important from UPSC prelims exam point of view, and you should cover round table conferences also. So there were 3 round table conferences. You should know about first, second and third round table conference, who participated in which conference, who boycotted those conference. So this was all about question number first. Now let us discuss question number second. With reference to Tilak's Home Rule League, consider the following statements. First, it used religious festivals as an important strategy to propagate ideology of home rule. Second, its demands included Swaraj, formation of linguistic states, and education in vernacular language. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So you can just write down your answer. So the correct answer of this question is option B 2 only. So Tilak used the Ganesh Puja and Shivaji festival to propagate nationalism during the Swadeshi movement. He did not use the religious festivals as an important strategy to propagate ideology of home rule. Hence, statement number 1 is not correct and statement number 2 is correct. So that's why the answer is option B 2 only. So let us discuss question number 3. Consider the following statements with respect to Simon Commission. First, all the members of the commission were Englishmen. Second, the commission were appointed to go into the question of further constitutional reforms in British India. Third, the Simon Commission report recommended dominion status for British India. So which of the following statements are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer of this question is option A 1 and 2 only. So the Simon Commission report contained no mention of the dominion status and was in other ways also a regressive document. It disappointed national leaders including moderates. Hence statement number 3 is not correct and first and second statement are correct. So the answer is option A, 1 and 2 only. You should know about Simon Commission. So how many members were there in Simon Commission? So what was the why Simon Commission was boycotted? So there were many slogans against Simon Commission. So one of the popular uh, slogan is Simon Go Back. So that was all about question number 3. Now let us discuss question number 4. Which of the following statements is or are correct with reference to the cabinet mission plan? First, it rejected the demand for Pakistan. Second, it proposed grouping of provincial assemblies into two groups on the basis of religion. Third, it provided for the common center controlling defense, currency, and communications. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 only, B, 2 and 3 only, C, 1 and 3 only, D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can just write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option A, 1 only. So cabinet mission plan rejected the demand for Pakistan, and statement number 2 and 3 is incorrect. So that's why the answer of this question is A, 1 only. You can read more about cabinet mission plan. So it was introduced in 1946. You can check it out from standard sources. So you should also know the pre and post movement or plan related to cabinet mission plan. So what were the events that lead to la- uh, creation of this plan, cabinet mission plan? So this was all about question number 4, and you should read the plans or movements, especially after 1940s. So the plans between 1940 and 1947 are extremely important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So you should cover these topics from standard sources holistically. So let us discuss question number 5. Which of the following events happened in the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress 1906? First, Congress split into moderates and extremist group. Second, resolution of self-government Swaraj. Third, resolution on national education. Fourth, resolution on national economic program. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 3 and 4 only. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer of this question is option B, 2 and 3 only. So the split of Congress into two groups, that is moderates and extremists, happened during the 1907 session, which happened at Surat. It is therefore famously called Surat split, hence statement number 1 is not correct. So about fourth statement, resolution on national economic program was passed during the 1931 session of Congress, which happened at Karachi. It was presided by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. During the session, the resolution on fundamental rights was also passed. Hence, statement number 4 is not correct. So, statement number 4 and 1 is not correct, while second and third is correct. So you should know about Indian National Congress, its important sessions. So especially 1906 session, 1909. These are very important, and you should also cover the important facts about important sessions of Indian National Congress. And this was a question that was framed from the Calcutta session of Indian National Congress that took place in 1906. And likewise, you can also read about 1905 and 1907 sessions, because in 1907 session Surat split was taken. Surat split was there, so some important decisions were taken in that session. So this is all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel, and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.